我個尾呢？哦，我個尾呢？我尾後咯。我個尾係等後咯。佢兩後同日啊嘛。
We get another chance to visit my mom's village here in Hoiping, China. We get a chance to check out an old suitcase with papers and pictures. And then we're going to go visit an area where my mom grew up until the age of 5. And then we get to enjoy some terrific Chinese village cooking in a town nearby. I'm in front of my mom's village here in Hoiping, and we're just visiting again. We've been here a few times. So let's have a look and see what's inside the house. Here we see a lot of the pictures that my mom sent back to her parents, as well as pictures from other relatives. That's my grandmother on my mom's side, and my grandfather on my mom's side, and my great-grandmother on my mom's side. There's some old relics. They used to buy their produce and groceries. These are some of the baskets they used to use to carry food and produce and medicinal roots. Now we're going to go upstairs. There is a suitcase with some old letters and papers we need to look at. Gotta be careful here. Oh yeah, okay, I've been here before. Kind of low on the ceilings here. This room on the main floor is the original part of the house. The upstairs was built in the 1970s. Mommy, you need to get on the high. On the keep one. On way how? Oh, this is clothes in here. Oh, nó sọc.
Nó sọc nó cổ.
Wow, tiêu
nó hòa điệu nó xỉu ngon. Hòa điệu nó xỉu ngon.
That could be.
Nó to.喂，旁邊第二隻龜，係咪第啊？
係佢數永條小低嘅。
係啦。And Mummy when she had braids. Oh, see, it takes a while to focus on the digital.
佢龜啊！乜佢？啊！佢嘅梳係啊苗子嘅窿嚟嘅。啊！嗰件一樣吧？係。佢嘅梳呢件個話佢將人佢會好好嘅嘛。啊！出人多細狗，
佢係雙條頸，
媽媽，佢係雙
條頸，冇，誒話唔係佢呢個好有眉角向牛扒咁。
佢個樣咯。
佢呢字
啊！
哦，冧啊，少咗心。
啲人少咗好
你寫
It's almost like the what do you call it?
寫親嘅佢寫嗱啊嗱。牛耕田麻吃谷嘅攞牛耕田嘅對向福，嗰啲點講得古款啦啊
What does it say? What's it called? Cow farming. Farming the field, horse. Yeah,
was it schoolwork or what?
Huh? I don't know. It's yeah, the four character sayings. Four character sayings.
Father works hard so the son can have her.
Yeah, so that the money, son enjoy.
So this is the school desk right here?
Yeah.
And this is the dinner table?
Yeah.
到你呢支啊？
就唔信個 A 嘅行得。
哦。
唔知啱唔知啦。So I'm going to where my mom used to live. It's near the house that we just visited. Chiak Hom, what you So we're just walking through the alley here. So I'm just in front of the area where my mom used to live before they moved to the new house. So this area, they had actually torn down the houses. So this is where the location behind the house, and a little bit farther back.
入定嗰時拆嘅，政府拆嘅，佢係
哪年拆啊
1958年。
？58年，哦 ，OK，係嘅 A 叫時阿公嘅，啊佢嘅 A 有間屋，
原來係咁屋嚟㗎，
原來
哦，OK，
真大進㗎。
哦，
入定嗰時咧，你拆緊大進去下邊。
哦，
你打你行得過㗎，佢係真咧搭喺石行，都2趟河㗎。
In 1958, the dirt houses were ordered to be torn down by the government. The dirt was used for farming. So the remaining clay, wood, and steel were used in building storage facilities and an eating area.
So only the bottom part is original. The top part here was built later on. We talked about this house for a long time. I talked to our mom about it, and seeing it for the first time, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean it's just really I don't know. It's kind of hard to imagine. It's just so much smaller.
Did you hear about this house before?
Not this particular one. I've only heard about the other one where we were earlier. I didn't know they actually had an original house here.
Yeah.
Where she grew up as a baby and a child, I guess. Yeah, eventually she moved to the other one.
Yeah, I heard about it after that first visit, and then she said there was another house where they lived. And I imagine it being farther away. It's not that far away. It's just
yeah, you're only talking maybe 25 yards.
Yeah,
just
yeah.
down an alleyway.
Yeah, just down the alley, and here we are. Okay, great.
My mom is talking to the son of one of the relatives who lived in this village. The son was born after my mom had moved overseas. This relative is making arrangements with the man so we can meet for lunch in town.
哦，攝計咁嚟赤坎喎。係啦，嚟赤坎大啊！
This relative knows the man on the phone very well
哦，
because they both grew up
好㗎，響
in this village.
佢媽咪你曉個阿攞個媽係嘛？
Our relative is getting a head start on his bicycle, so we'll meet him at the restaurant in town.
Well, several theories, but one of the answers is that the people band together to collect the money, so he owes the collective people, and then when they make the money, he pays it back. I think in his case, or
They're heading into Chiak Hom.
紙堆行啦嘛，
紙堆行。
紙堆行㗎咯。
Who is one of my mom's relatives' son. So we're in the privilege category here for lunch. Going through Chiak Hom Town.
sounds like basically Chiak Hom is the market town. Yeah.
赤坎梅咯嘛，佢上埠咯嘛，上埠咯，新間噶咯。
ăn tô hộp khẩu như cái hộp khẩu hay cái nào?
佢出咯，工廠咯，下埠嗰下咯，叫時新路行新間嘅燒會口啦嘛。行喺咯，葵上江咯，我要拗穩樽口先得咯。佢啱啱二馬路㗎咯。
Yeah, it's actually quite a
Second horse
but you have
road.
to complicate with all these varieties. But the thing is, I guess because they can juggle all this.
哇，要多係。
係啦，行喺度啦，而家咯。
I'm in front of a Chinese restaurant here in Chiak Hom, China. Chikan in Mandarin. So we're going to try some of the village style cooking here. This is
Roast goose is one of the specialties of this restaurant.
roast pork.
Okay, good.
And that's the traditional Chinese soup like that. So that's Chinese sausage and greens.
佢啱到柴魚鍋味道，
Oh, China.
柴魚味啊！
我講一個。
哦，唔係啊，講我。
第一個菜。
佢啱到番薯鍋雞台，
番薯我介咗。Okay.
番薯啊！
Got it for the fish.
我就燒。
咁你翻嚟就得啦。我想啊，我想慢啲啦，
慢慢吃，
慢啲咪。
呢個行得。
哦，
我呢個行唔需要都依下得啦。依下得。
哦，嗰隻啲大，係。人嚟，嗱，哇，人好正好正啊，全部啊。
Chiak Hom Town is going through some major renovations. I'll be really surprised when I show up here again. So thanks very much for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and any comments you make are always appreciated. And thanks very much for your continued support.